So we're at the Sharpe residence. This is post Helene. So we had 2 trees fall on the property, one in the master bedroom and one in the kitchen. I was here a few days after with the homeowners. Emotions were high, and we jumped in and worked hand in hand with the insurance company and the homeowners to try and repair this project as quickly as possible. That being said, we're here 6 months later. We finally have the roof back on. We're making some good progress and trying to get these wonderful people back in their homes and get their life organized again. The whole area, we've been distraught and kind of out of place since the storm, but we're finally putting the pieces back together and hopefully having some smiling faces in the home here soon.